6056. The effectiveness of communication instructor and learner is measured by the A. Degree of dynamic, interrelated elements. B. Similarity between the idea transmitted and the idea. C. Relationship between communicative and dynamic elements. The correct answer is C. The effectiveness of communication between an instructor and a learner is measured by the relationship between communicative and dynamic elements. Communication involves the exchange of information, ideas, and understanding between individuals. In the context of instruction and learning, effective communication is essential for conveying knowledge, facilitating learning, and promoting mutual understanding between the instructor and the learner. The communicative elements refer to the content, messages, and information being transmitted from the instructor to the learner. This includes the clarity, relevance, and accuracy of the instructional material, as well as the instructor's ability to convey the information effectively. The dynamic elements encompass the interactive and relational aspects of communication. It involves factors such as the instructor's delivery style, nonverbal cues, active listening, responsiveness to learner questions and feedback, and the establishment of a positive rapport between the instructor and the learner. The relationship between communicative and dynamic elements is crucial for effective communication. It means that the content and messages being communicated should align with the interactive and relational aspects of communication. The instructor's ability to effectively convey the information while considering the learner's needs, understanding, and engagement is a key determinant of effective communication. Instructors should strive to establish a positive and collaborative communication environment where the learner feels heard, understood, and supported. Active listening, clear explanations, responsiveness to learner questions, and adaptability to different learning styles are important aspects of effective communication in the instructional context. 6057. To be more likely to communicate effectively, an instructor should or write from a background of A. Technical expertise. B. Knowing the ideas presented. C. Up-to-date, stimulating material. The correct answer is C. To be more likely to communicate effectively, an instructor should have up-to-date, stimulating material. Effective communication in instruction involves engaging and capturing the learner's attention, delivering information in a clear and understandable manner, and facilitating learning. The choice of instructional materials plays a significant role in achieving these objectives. Having up-to-date material ensures that the information being presented to the learners is current and relevant. It reflects the instructor's knowledge and understanding of the subject matter, as well as their commitment to staying informed about the latest developments and advancements in the field. Using stimulating material helps to make the learning experience more engaging and interactive. It can include a variety of resources such as multimedia presentations, visual aids, real-world examples, case studies, and interactive activities. Stimulating materials capture the learner's interest, maintain their attention, and enhance their comprehension and retention of the content. While technical expertise and knowing the ideas presented are important factors for effective communication, they are not the primary focus of this question. Technical expertise refers to the instructor's knowledge and competence in the subject matter, which certainly contributes to effective communication. However, even with technical expertise, if the instructional materials are outdated or lack stimulation, the communication may not be as effective. 6039-6. When has instruction taken place? A. When a procedure has been explained and the desired learner response has occurred. B. When the learner hears what is presented. C. When all the required material has been presented. The correct answer is A. Instruction can be considered to have taken place when a procedure has been explained and the desired learner response has occurred. In the context of teaching and learning, instruction involves the deliberate and systematic process of imparting knowledge, skills, or information to learners. The goal of instruction is to facilitate learning and ensure that learners acquire the intended knowledge or skills. 6058. To communicate effectively, instructors must A. Recognize the level of comprehension. B. Provide an atmosphere which encourages questioning. C. Reveal a positive attitude while delivering their message. The correct answer is C. To communicate effectively, instructors must reveal a positive attitude while delivering their message. Effective communication in instruction involves more than just transmitting information. It also includes factors such as the instructor's demeanor, tone of voice, body language, and overall attitude. These elements significantly influence how the message is received and understood by the learners. By revealing a positive attitude, instructors create an atmosphere of enthusiasm, support, and encouragement. This helps to engage the learners, build rapport, and establish a conducive learning environment. When instructors demonstrate positivity, it can have a motivational effect on the learners, fostering their interest and willingness to actively participate in the learning process. A positive attitude also helps to create a sense of confidence and trust in the instructor. Learners are more likely to be receptive to the message when they perceive the instructor as approachable, supportive, and knowledgeable. It enhances the instructor-learner relationship and facilitates effective communication. 6059. Effective communication has taken place when, and only when, A. Information is transmitted and received. B. Receivers react with understanding and change their behavior accordingly. C. Receivers have the ability to question and comprehend ideas that have transmitted. The correct answer is B. Effective communication has taken place when, and only when, the receivers react with understanding and change their behavior accordingly. Communication involves the transmission of information from a sender to one or more receivers. However, effective communication goes beyond the mere transmission of information. It involves the successful understanding of the message by the receivers and a subsequent change in their behavior, thinking, or actions based on that understanding.